I used to hit a wall mid-workout, but honestly, this changed everything for me. This is my secret weapon. It's about the hype. It's the 3 grams of pure creatine for real strength and recovery. I take it every single day, no excuses. If you want to level up your gains like I did, you need this in your stack. Trust me, your muscles will thank you.
What you saw in the intro video is a final clip that cost me nothing, just a Gemini account. That's it. I used my own promptslove.com free tools, Google Omni prompt generator here. You get 3 prompts per day for free. Here in the video category, I'm going to use the social media shorts reels. And then this is a standard prompt that you can use. A UGC based advertisement for 30 seconds, create script for 30 seconds, divide by first 10 seconds, then add detail in it, and then do the 10, 20, 20 to 30. Subject, I defined that subject and the product as well. A little bit about the product, what it's all about and its features, and then a selfie style video, multi-scene shot. For example, the first 30 seconds should be in the gym, then street, and these are the features, handheld camera. So this is the one way you can just tell the scene description. You don't need to add anything here. But if you are a beginner, you want to play around with this tool, you can simply add your actions, motions, or sitting environment, motion, visual style. I have shortly this many visual style that you can use, and there's the camera movement as well, and the durations, the aspect ratio, and the reference mode. For example, if you want just to be from the text only or image reference, world knowledge grounding that they can search internet for you to get the answers. So audio sound description. So I want dialogues focused for advertising, and tone, I, me. So let me just generate that using this particular form. And you got 3 prompts in a one go. So first we are going to use the second and third here. So to do that, you can use Gemini to create 3 clips per day because they have this 3 clips capped for the pro users. And what I've done here is I attached my product photo and typed the first paragraph of prompt, and everything is there. For example, the holder tab of attached image, description about a blonde woman, which is a subject, a UGC ad, and 9, 16 seconds and 10 seconds. Make sure you use the flash because it stick to the prompt you have entered, not the other way around. So in the next following prompt, once it generate this, we can add the next prompt as well. Just wait that to finish. We have the first here. Let's say
I used to hit a wall mid-workout, but honestly, this changed everything for me. This is my secret weapon.
now you can see everything is perfect until this. And yeah, we have few seconds of this, the blank space, which we can cut that in the later part of editing. Like here, we don't need that. So now we will attach the next one and paste that here. In a seamless transition, the same woman is walking this. So for this, I'm going to add again the image because it will create the consistent between our image, between our product, and here holding the dashed. This, everything is perfect. Nothing else we need to do, and click on submit. Omni has this conversational editing. Once you generate this, it has all the context of whatever you have done previous, also the characters, also the video, and it will use the same format in the next. So this is the conversational editing. And if you are curious to know about Gemini Omni, so I have a detailed guide that you can learn from here. And also I have this cheat sheet that you can get from the promptslove.com. Also various other things like 20,000 plus prompts, request box, you can request me anything, I will get back to you. Now here's the video. So it messed up in the first second. I can start with this cut. About 1 second I can delete the previous one because it still starts from the, that's where I am going to cut that. Rest of the clip is great.
Pure creatine for real strength and recovery. I take it every single day, no excuse.
So now going forward to the next and last video like that. Make sure you always attach the product image because it's going to mess that up. And here it says she sets the dash product down in the foreground. So the bold text on the image is clearly visible on the bottom third. So this is what it need to, and I will attach the Kriya Mag again. And now just press enter. So it will keep the consistency of the model and the subject. Now let's look at the last clip.
If you want to level up your gains like I did, you need this in your stack. Trust me, your muscles will.
We have some inconsistencies. For example, the first is great. We can cut that. We can cut that towards the end of the video. and rest we can use into our script. So let's download all of this and open the CapCut, create a new project and grab first one.
I used to hit a wall mid-workout, but this changed everything for me. This is my secret weapon.
That's it. I will make a cut right here. And now she moves to,
It's not just about the hype. It's about the hype.
so we can cut that here, right?
It's about the hype. It's the 3 grams of pure creatine for real strength and recovery. I take it every single day. No excuse.
That's it. From here, looks very natural until now. And here, we have some inconsistency in the third one.
If you want to level up your gains,
So here,
like I did, you need this in your stack. Trust me.
so
Stack.
so here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the clip here. I will delete this part and move this clip here. So let's play.
If you want to level up your gains like I did, you need this in your stack. Trust me, your muscles will thank you. Trust me, your muscles.
Now everything looks great until now. So now we can make it a more appealing, like adding captions here. Let's add the caption, the templates. Now,
I used to hit a wall mid-workout, but honestly, this changed everything for me.
so this is actually a really cool video. Only need is a background music. And for that, in the CapCut, you have this music library. Great. So now we have our clip ready. We can just export. And that's how you can create ad in just 15-20 minutes. So how did you like this? Do let me know in the comment box and do check out promptslab.com.